Hello, today let us discuss about Java comments or comments in Java. Comments can be used to explain Java code and to make it more readable. It can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. Means Java comments are used to explain the what was the code and how will it executed. If you return a code, it was understood by other persons also. Because of that only comments can be written in the program, and the compiler should not read the comments. It does not include in the execution. So because of that, some symbols are there. It is called single line comments. In this single line comments, a single line comment starts with two forward slashes. Means this is the symbol. It is used to single line comment. After written these symbols, whatever we return, then the compiler will consider it as a comment. Any text between double slash and end of the line is ignored by Java will not be executed. This example uses single line comment before a line code, and here is the example. Here two forward slashes are there. After that, this is a comment. This is the sentence. The compiler, it can understand that this is a comment and does not include in the execution of the program, and it is skipped the line, and execution start from here, system.out.println hello world. The example uses single line comment at the end of the line of the code. Means after this execution, system.out.println, after this double slash is there, means after whatever after the double slash, whatever we return, that will be considered as a comment. This is a single line comment. And Java multiple line comments means if more than one line comments are there, means this is the symbol it can be used. Multi-line comment starts with slash star and ends with star slash. Any text between slash star and star slash will be ignored by the Java. The example uses a multi-line comment to explain the code. Here is the example. Slash star, the code below will be print the world hello world to the screen, and it is amazing. Star slash. This is the two-line comment. The two-line comments are more than one line comment. Can, if there, means we can use slash star and started with the slash star and ended with star slash. After that, the statement will be printed. Single or multi-line comments, it is up to you which you want to use. Normally we use double slash for short comments and slash star slash for an longer comments. This is the procedure in Java how to use comments. In next video, let us discuss about Java variables. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.